Kasin Admins College minta kasngi ka khan riu tarik unailar kalapli pa ya ka seminar ka baar sngi kinthi ka belatip kumka international seminar kam webinar halor ka phang climate change but halor ka jingya day but ka a local, national and global agenda ya ka balapalong da ka Department of Geography and IQAC Jongkasin Admins College rungkat ka jingya trelang but ka nabar. Ia kini ke program lawan ban play pat ba do ba met ba lingdo ubade chairman jang ke planning board jang ke sarkar jilla ubalong ru kumukong san ha kini kesngi ha ka balai dan lang Dr. P Sahu usembut kongsan ubade ru general manager jang ke nabat Shillong. Haba ajin kren ha kini kesngi nakaliang uba met ba ulong haba wan syukum kini ke seminar ngide banyo I ke jing sei so ba ke jing mentoi ke bengiyo na kini ke seminar bat la dangim la ban Shim ke jingit Khlieh ye ke jing le ke jangi haba ye day bat ke jing Kylla jang ke Mariang nginum la ban wan ra ye ke jing Kylla.
I would like to ask all of us here, I have not just come to be just a mere chief guest in this program. I would like to ask myself, the topic, the subject that you have adopted is climate change. One has to understand first, what is that change? What is that climate change? Hundreds, thousands of seminars are being organized across the globe. Across the globe. But what is the outcome of those seminars? What is the outcome of the seminars? I would like to see that St. Anne's College, to the students, to all the participants of this 2 days long seminars, should show results. There has to be a positive and fruitful results which comes out from this seminar. First of all, I would like to ask myself, who is the chief guest today, which you call me a chief guest, am I responsible for this climate change? I really mean it when I ask this question. Am I responsible? Be it directly or indirectly, are we responsible for this climate change? The change here we're talking about, why we have to assemble in this hall, it is because there's a negative change. It's not a positive change. It is a negative change. That's why we assemble here. And if all of us would like to own this responsibility of this negative change, then we will expect the result to be positive. For me, I have to say yes, I'm responsible. I don't know what about you? All my friends who are here in this hall. Will you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
This possible cup, you take drinking water and we just throw it. Are we not responsible? Until unless we own that responsibility, we cannot change. We cannot change. All the seminars, all the workshops, all the interactions, all the discussions will be meaningless if we don't understand what exactly we are talking about and what exactly we are supposed to do. Professor Gideon, I think we are running out of time if I look at the technical sessions that you have here in the, it's supposed to start at 11, but I think the bell has given us warning that we have to stop as early as possible. It is compelled to change. It is compelled, and it was compelled to change because the there's a huge kind of pressure. There's a huge kind of force which compels and drives that change of that climate. Now the question is that, who is that force? What is that force we are talking about here? Again, we have to own it. It's a human being. We only have created this change when we talk about climate. There are different reasons. If you look around, the attitude, the approach, the behavior of a human being has changed. Has changed. I still remember when I was young, in 70s, 80s, I still remember, in a society when we talk about anything, we always talk and discuss about the welfare of the entire society. We talk and discuss about the welfare of others as well. But now, human being behavior has completely changed. It's always a self-centric kind of approach. There lies the problem. There lies the problem.
La penpo penpieng ye ke program da ke jingrai na ki samla puli jong ka college but ha ka teges ngi lawan ban mi khmat lang ki nong hi kai college pa pher